Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance American Airlines Baggage Tracking. What to take out of your bag traveling with American Airlines. Understanding their baggage policies and what you should remove from your bag can save you from unnecessary hassles. Here are 10 essential points to keep your journey smooth and stress-free. 1. Remove lithium batteries and power banks. Lithium batteries, including power banks and spare batteries for devices, are not allowed in checked baggage. These must be kept in your carry-on to comply with FAA regulations and avoid potential fire risks. 2. Take out valuable electronics. Valuable electronics such as laptops, tablets, cameras, and smartphones should always be carried with you. Checked baggage goes through rough handling and may face delays, so keeping these items with you ensures they're protected. 3. Keep essential medications on hand. Don't check essential medications. Always keep prescriptions, over-the-counter medications, and medical devices like inhalers in your carry-on. This guarantees accessibility in case your bag is delayed or lost. 4. Remove travel documents. Passports, boarding passes, visas, and other travel documents should never go in checked bags. Carry these with you to ensure seamless travel and avoid the nightmare of losing crucial documents. 5. Avoid packing jewelry and cash. Valuable items like jewelry, cash, or luxury watches should stay out of checked baggage. Airlines, including American, typically disclaim liability for these items in the case of loss or theft. 6. Take out fragile items. Fragile items like glass souvenirs, delicate gifts, or sensitive equipment can break during baggage handling. Pack these in your carry-on, where they'll remain under your control and away from rough conditions. 7. Remove chargers and cables. Keep phone and device chargers with you, especially if you have connecting flights. Delayed baggage could leave you without a way to charge devices, disrupting communication and planning during your trip. 8. Don't check perishables. Foods or beverages that are perishable should stay out of checked bags. Delays or extended travel times can lead to spoilage, odors, or messes in your luggage. 9. Keep clothing for emergencies. Pack an extra set of clothing in your carry-on in case of a baggage delay. Having clean clothes available can be a lifesaver if your checked bag is rerouted or arrives late. 10. Know the restricted items. American Airlines prohibits certain items in checked bags, including flammable liquids, compressed gases, and certain tools. Review their restricted items list to ensure you comply with safety regulations. Bonus tip: use baggage tracking tools. American Airlines offers a baggage tracking tool on their website and mobile app. It allows you to monitor your checked bags in real time. In case of a delay, report the issue immediately through their baggage service counter or the app. Final thoughts: preparing your luggage with these tips ensures compliance with American Airlines policies and protects your valuables during travel. By keeping essential and valuable items with you and understanding what to remove from your checked bag, you'll travel with peace of mind. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.